Hey, what's up, guys? It's Antonio again, coming to you with a update on Burex, how much I've made so far with my deposit that I currently have. If you go to make a deposit, I'm actually in the commodity swaps, and I actually joined right here, this one right here, 200 days. Accrual days. So I'm getting a 4.2% daily and a 840% return. The amount that I invested, if I go back to my deposits, this is what I deposited right here. And then if I go to Google USD to BCT, let me refresh this because obviously Bitcoin's been changing in price, so it's actually more. I think I was at like maybe $1,000, so it's like $62.92 more. So if I go back to Beurax, I can see how much I've made so far from my total return is right here. So I'll go on ahead and head back to Google and paste that there, and it looks like I've made so far 89.28 in profit in Bitcoin. So um, I haven't been able to withdraw yet, and from what my understanding is that if you get into the Bureaux, the one that I got into, um, the actual commodity swap. All right. So this, from my understanding, is so far that um, it is a 4.2% daily, and your total return will be 840%. Now it is 200 days. Okay. So if you invest in this one, you're pretty much going to be waiting a total of 200 days to get everything back, even your daily percentage. I think when I did the numbers, it's like 10 grand in Bitcoin that I would get off of an initial $1,000 investment. Um, if I would have known that in the beginning, I would have never invested in this one right here. I would have just, got into the shorter term ones because you can actually um, see these are like 20 days. I probably would have gotten this one right here because this is a 40% return in 25 days, and I would have got back, $400 in Bitcoin within those 25 days. So just keep that in mind, guys. So I think on average, the 1.5%. If you look here, let's see. If I go back to commodity swaps, what I'm making on a daily basis. If I put in the hold on, let me go back here. My deposits. Then if I put that in there, my initial deposit, and I go back to commodity swaps, and you guys can see how much that you will make on a daily basis just by putting in the amount that you're going to invest right underneath. And if I put in that amount, it tells me that I'm going to make a daily profit of this amount right here. Copy that, go back to Google and paste that in there. And it's telling me I'm making about $44.64 a day with Bitcoin. Okay. So you guys can actually look at these ones right here. So there's the total swaps returns. This seems to be the one that a lot of people are investing in. And if you look down here, you got your USD, and then you have your Bitcoin. Okay. This is 1.4% right here, and this one's 1.8%. If you look at the days, It's 20 days that they're going to be holding your money, but you're getting paid out daily. And this one as well. This one holds it for 35 days, but you have to invest a larger amount. This one's $5,000 USD. Um, so yeah, this one obviously it's a little bit more money. But other than that, so far it's been okay. If you guys are interested, go on ahead and my link is underneath this video as well in the description. And if you also need to message me, go on ahead and message me on Facebook. That link is also in there. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.